on my day 65, and I did some manifestation today. I did find the lamp that I was looking for, $5. I just found it. I saw an ad and I called and she said, yeah, come pick it up. I mean, she called me back. So then I went to pick it up, and the good thing is that it was actually on the other side of town. I mean, there was a while to go on the train and stuff, but I get to visit a little bit, and I took some pictures. I'm gonna put them on this video. And also, when I was going back, I took the wrong train, but then I grabbed the right train again, and I saw a musician in the subway. I got to speak with him and asked him, you know, like, do you need to do anything? Like, do you need any authorization to play here? He said no, and he said that normally you shouldn't have any sound system. Some people get around with that, but that he doesn't use a sound system because he doesn't want to be in trouble. You should have seen how much donations he had in his guitar stuff. Anyway, I made a short video of him playing, so you can enjoy that too. That's all for today. Bye.